A-list organic cosmetics.
Perfect skin and hair. What you searching for? Perfect skin and hair.
Coconut milk is a high-calorie food as is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a kind of saturated fat which is very beneficial for the skin when taken in both internally and when applied topically. Most people are of the popular opinion that coconut and all its derivatives are high in cholesterol. This is true, but coconut is very high in the right kind of cholesterol, which is the HDLs, is very beneficial for the body both internally and externally. It is also a good source of vitamin, example vitamin E, which is very good for overall skin tone and health. Hence, it promotes a glowing skin because of vitamin E's anti-aging benefits. It's also rich in minerals like manganese and copper, which are both beneficial for anti-aging. The reason why I have replaced my normal dairy milk for the past 12 years with coconut milk is because of its outstanding benefits to my body. This is what a famous American actor and director had to say about coconut milk. His name is Dustin Hoffman, and this is what he said. He said, the two basic items to sustain life are sunshine and coconut milk. What is in coconut milk that makes this famous man say this? Coconut, with all its 12% medium chain triglycerides, caprylic acid are less likely to be stored as fat. They also promote the production of ketones and induce satiety, which prevents overeating. The reason why I've been able to maintain my weight after using it over 12 years. Further studies have shown that the MCTs in coconut and all its derivatives actually prevent obesity, and also further studies have confirmed that its ability to reduce inflammation and also kill microbes in our bodies because of its excellent anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal properties. Natural cane sugar. Organic natural cane sugar is much less processed than the refined white sugar that we all used to, which means that the nutrients in the cane is left more intact. Jaggery, which is another name for the natural cane sugar, is loaded with antioxidants and minerals such as zinc and selenium, which in turn help prevent free radical damage, ensuring that the skin is kept intact and also boosts our resistance against infections. Jaggery also increases the total count of hemoglobin in the body, hence ensuring a good blood supply throughout the entire body. It is rich in many essential nutrients and releases a chemical called endorphin, which is the happy feel chemical. Jaggery or natural cane sugar is definitely a better substitute for refined sugars to stave off diabetes, whilst ensuring that you have glowing skin because of its rich content in iron. The primary active compound found in turmeric powder is called the curcumin. Curcumin contains anti-inflammatory enzymes that can combat cell production and reduce any uncomfortable skin issues that one may have. Studies have shown that both topical and oral application of curcumin can increase the skin's condition to a great deal. Watch my video on how to get rid of acne overnight. I explain a bit more on the benefits of turmeric in that video. Pink Himalayan salt is packed with high amounts of minerals that is highly beneficial for the skin, and also even having a bath with it will greatly enhance your skin appearance because of its rich mineral content. We finally add warm water to help dissolve the coconut cream and also enable it to become the milky cream consistency that we want.